Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Mashudu Masuta. The JSE ended the day down by 0.37% on 31,118 points. We spoke to Wayne McCurry from RMB looking at data out this week.
Now, the GDP numbers, the consumer numbers, it was actually quite good. The unemployment numbers was actually quite good economic data. Then obviously in South Africa we had our new growth plan being released to probably justified criticism, but understand this is still in its infant stages. This has still got a long way to walk before it becomes finalized and before it becomes a policy. Then of course the third thing, this is a short trading week in America, which means it's a short trading week in South Africa in effect. So don't read too much into market movements this week.
Today, the NSE 20 was up by 1/3% at 24,611 points. We spoke to Bankole Odusanya from United Bank for Africa looking at market sentiment.
Been very good performance in the last 2 days. Initially, one thought that it was just a dip in the market for 1 day. What's been going on is that there's been a gradual slide for 7 days, and speculators are beginning to think that the prices have gone down enough to come in. I don't see it driving through next week. Maybe at some point, beginning or midweek next week, I would expect them to take that margins and then move on. We continue to see these ups and downs, fluctuations in prices till year end when results come out for banks and other companies in the foods and beverage sector that are also doing well.
The NSE 20 closed up 25.05 points to close at 4,580.33 points. We spoke to Wayaki Yinga from Wayaki & Associates looking at market performance.
If you look at it just the same way like a part of America, they're looking at the Black Friday. We are actually approaching the last week of what we call the beginning of the festive season. And with that, there's also a lot of, if you look at market activity-wise, you notice there's a lot of selling of shares, so to speak, and there's less interest as before, with a lot of investors looking at now divesting in terms of their investment. So that also plays a very big role in terms of how the market performs.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.